Most people think they're broke because they don't make enough money. But that's not the real reason. Some people earn more and still lose everything. Because wealth is not first lost in your bank account. It is lost through the people you allow close to you. And King Solomon, the wisest man who ever lived, saw this thousands of years ago and warned about it. There are certain people you keep around you who will quietly drain your wealth. Not all at once, but slowly, silently, and almost invisibly. Stay with me, because number 6 is the one that has destroyed more financial lives than almost anything else. And if you're serious about growing your knowledge and protecting your future, make sure you subscribe for more wisdom like this. But before we go into the 7, you need to understand this principle. Walk with the wise and become wise, for a companion of fools suffers harm. Proverbs 13 verse 20. This is not just spiritual advice. It is financial law. Because whether you realize it or not, the people around you are shaping your decisions, your discipline, and ultimately, your financial future. So if your finances are not where they should be, you may need to look beyond your income and start looking at your circle. Now, here are the 7 people Solomon warns you to be careful with. 1. The fool who rejects wisdom. The way of fools seems right to them, but the wise listen to advice. Proverbs 12 verse 15. This person doesn't look dangerous. They sound confident. They say, "Relax, you can always make more money. Why are you so strict with your finances?" But here's what makes them dangerous. They don't just ignore wisdom. They make you feel wrong for having it. And this is how people lose discipline without even realizing it. They normalize debt, impulsive spending, financial carelessness, until one day, you wake up and realize you didn't lose money. You lost your standards. 2. The hot-tempered person. The Bible warns, do not make friends with a hot-tempered person. Proverbs 22 verse 24. Let me ask you something. Have you ever made a bad financial decision just because of how you felt in the moment? Now imagine being close to someone who lives like that every day. This person reacts emotionally, spends impulsively, makes decisions under pressure. And here's the danger most people miss. Emotions are contagious. Stay around them long enough, and their instability becomes your environment. One emotional reaction can kill a business deal, destroy a partnership, cost you years of progress. 3. The person who talks too much. A gossip betrays a confidence. Proverbs 11 verse 13. Not every person in your life needs to know your plans. But this person shares everything, cannot keep things private, talks without thinking. And this is where many people lose opportunities before they even begin. Because not every vision is meant to be public too early. One conversation can attract competition, invite pressure, expose your strategy, and suddenly, what could have been success becomes stress. 4. The lazy and undisciplined. A little sleep, a little slumber, and poverty will come. Proverbs 6 verses 10 to 11. This one is subtle, because laziness doesn't always look like doing nothing. Sometimes it looks like delaying important decisions, avoiding responsibility, choosing comfort over growth. And here's what most people don't realize. Laziness spreads. Stay around undisciplined people, and your own urgency starts to fade. Your standards drop, your focus weakens, and slowly, your financial progress stalls. 5. The lover of appearance. Whoever loves pleasure will become poor. Proverbs 21 verse 17. This person doesn't want to be wealthy. They want to look wealthy. They spend for validation, chase status, live for appearances. And this is one of the biggest traps in today's world. Because social pressure is invisible, but powerful. You start spending not because you need to, but because you don't want to feel left behind. And Solomon warns, a life built on appearance will eventually collapse. 6. The greedy opportunity pusher. Wealth gained hastily will dwindle. Proverbs 13 verse 11. This person always has a limited time deal, a guaranteed return, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And they all use the same weapon, urgency. They make you feel like, if you don't act now, you'll miss everything. But here's the truth. Real wealth does not come from pressure. It comes from patience. 7. the one who pulls you into financial risk. Whoever puts up security for a stranger will surely suffer. Proverbs 11 verse 15. This is the most dangerous one, because it often comes from friends, family, people you trust. They ask you to co-sign, cover for them, take financial risks on their behalf. And saying no feels uncomfortable, so you say yes. But Solomon warns clearly, misplaced trust can destroy your financial stability. And many people don't lose money because of strangers. They lose it because they couldn't say no to the wrong person. So here are the 7 people: the fool, the emotionally unstable, the gossip, the lazy, the lover of appearance, the greedy opportunist, and the one who misuses trust. And here is the truth. Wealth is not just about what you build. It's about what you protect. Because the wrong people will not just cost you money. They will cost you your peace, your discipline, your future. Sometimes, the most important financial decision you will ever make is not where you invest your money, but who you stop giving access to it. If this opened your eyes, then don't stop here. Subscribe now for more biblical wisdom on money, discipline, and life. Because in the next video, we're going even deeper into powerful teachings on spirituality, moral discipline, and financial stability. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.